These steel maps are in this space to help visitors learn about the Welsh regions, the constituencies, and the electoral system of the Welsh Parliament. The smallest map shows the regions, and the central one shows the geographical constituencies. And if you look at where you live on the map, find out the number on the region or constituency, you can then find out who represents you when looking at the card by the corresponding number in the box underneath. The maps are not only informative, but also attractive, especially this one on the end, which is a 3D model of the Welsh landscape. It's very detailed, up to the summit of Snowdon, which is a layer higher than the rest of the country. The three maps were created by the artist and blacksmith Angharad Pearce Jones at her workshop in Bryn Aman. Similar to the framework of the Senedd building, they have been created out of local steel from the Tata steel plant in Port Talbot, so they fit in with the building particularly well.